Okay. You have a ligament there above suprascapular notch. We call this ligament now as your suprascapular ligament. Your suprascapular ligament or transverse scapular ligament. Suprascapular or transverse scapular ligament. Then another ligament here exists between the clavicle and the acromion. We have this again called acromioclavicular ligament. And this one, you have your glenohumeral ligament. Let's move on to the elbow. Okay, so elbow, again, as we mentioned, you have two at the sides. So one here, this is already your ulna. So this is your medial or ulnar collateral ligament. This one will be your lateral or radial collateral ligament. Then here you have your interosseous membrane. And then here, from your radius towards your carpal bone, so you have your radiocarpal ligament. Since dorsal side man siya, so we call this your dorsal radiocarpal ligament. Okay. Then, kaning mga ligament that connects the carpal bones, these are now known as your intercarpal mga ligaments. Intercarpal, or some authors would also call your interosseous ligament. For nani say mas specific name, if ever man, like between scaphoid and lunate, so we call it your scapholunate ligament. Between your capitate and lunate, so capitolunate ligament. Capito. Pwede sa kawalo. Joke. Capitolunate ligament. Okay. Alright, so those things. Those are just your intercarpal ligament. Then here, kani siya at the sides sa mga joints, you now have your collateral ligament. Kani siya. So, kung specific like this one, medial man na siya dito. So, this would now be the medial collateral ligament of the third metacarpophalangeal joint. Wow. Medyo well. Siya. Yeah, like this one. So, this would now be the lateral collateral ligament of the third proximal interphalangeal joint. Yun na. If ever lang. Specific. Clear? Questions?